Hello children, yesterday we started our next layer, that is the poem which loved best. Yesterday I gave you home task also. I hope that you all have completed the task. Before going into the next stanza, let's recap what yesterday we have learned. Okay children, so we have learnt about two children, Little John and Rosie Nell. Both of them told their mother that they love their mother. What did John do? Instead of helping his mother to bring the wood, he forgot the work which he has to do, and his cap went on, means he wore his cap and he went to the garden swing. What did Rosinelle tell? She also told that I love you, mother, which I can't express in words. Better than tongue means I can't express in words. But instead of helping his mother, what did she do? Half of the day she teased and pouted. Pouted means yesterday we learnt, made a face to show unhappy feelings. And finally, when did mother feel happy? Glad means happy. When did she feel happy? When she allowed Rosinelle to play. Because whole day her daughter was keeping pouted face. Instead of seeing that face, she told, you go and play. Now come to the next stanza. I love you, mother, said little Fan. Today I will help you all that I can. How glad I am that school doesn't keep. So she rocked the babe till he fell asleep. I love you, mother, said little Fan. Today I will help you all that I can. How glad I am that school doesn't keep. So she rocked the babe till he fell asleep. So the next child was Little Fan. What was the next child's name? Little Fan. She also told, I love you, mother. Today I will help you all that I can do. Today, whatever I can do, how much work I can help you, all that work I will do and help you. Little Fan told her mother. How glad I am that school doesn't keep. She's telling that how happy I'll feel if the school doesn't keep means what? Is not open the whole day. If the school doesn't open the whole day, I'll be very happy. Why she'll be very happy? Because she wants to help her mother. So she rocked the babe till he fell asleep. Children, see, small babies, to make them sleep, what we'll do? We'll rock. Means what? We'll move them frontwards and backwards like that. We'll put the baby on the shoulder and we'll do. Isn't it? So, rock. So, the little Fan rocked the babe until the baby fell asleep. Then, stepping softly, she took the broom and swept the floor and dusted the room. Busy and happy, all day was she, helpful and happy as a child could be. Then, stepping softly, she took the broom and swept the floor and dusted the room. Busy and happy, all day was she, helpful and happy as a child could be. So, whole day Fan was helping his mother. She told that I'll be happy if the school doesn't open the whole day. First, what did she do? She rocked the babe till the babe fell asleep. Then, stepping softly, moving quietly. Stepping softly means moving quietly, very quietly, she took the broom. Why she stepped softly, children? Because the baby was sleeping. So, she took the broom. You know the broom we'll use for sweeping the floor. So taking the broom, she swept the floor, she dusted the room, she cleaned whole room. And busy and happy all day was she. Full day she was busy doing the work, helping her mother, and happy. Helpful and happy as a child could be. How much helpful and happy a child could be. She was so much. Full day she was helping her mother and she felt very happy doing all this work. Stepping softly means what? Moving quietly. Why did she step softly? Why did she move quietly into the room to take the broom? Because the baby was sleeping. I love you, mother. Again they said. Three little children going to bed. How do you think that mother guessed which of them really loved her best? I love you, mother. Again they said. Three little children going to bed. How do you think that mother guessed which of them really loved her best. So again, before going to bed, while going to the bed, again the three children told their mother, I love you, mother. Again they said. How do you think that mother guessed? How do you know that mother guessed which of the among the three children loved her best? Yes, who loved her best? Fan loved her best, because John told that he will help, but he went to the garden swing. Rosinelle also, she told that I love you, I want to help, but whole day she kept pouted face. Finally, it was Fan who felt very happy helping her mother. What did she do? She rocked the babe, she swept the floor and dusted the room. So this is the poem which is written by Joy Ellison. Who wrote this poem? Joy Ellison. Okay, children. Now underline the DW words. Doesn't keep. DOESN apostrophe T KEEP. Doesn't keep. Rocked. 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 Asleep. 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 Stepping. 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 Softly. 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 Broom. 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 Swept. 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 Dusted. 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 Helpful. 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 HAPPY. Happy. Again. 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 Children. 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 Guest. GUESSED. Guest. These are the difficult words, children. Children, see how John and Rosinelle didn't help their mother. You should also not do like that, because your mother is taking lot of care for you, isn't it? She is doing whole work for you. Whatever you want, she'll be doing, your mother and father. So you also, children, should share their work, should help them in a lovable manner, not simply that we have to do, so that we have to do the work. Don't think like that. So you love among yourself. It shows like that only when you help your parents. You should share their work. You should show your love through actions, isn't it, children? So this is the poem written by Joy Ellison. Now come to the checkpoints, children, in page number 9. See the checkpoint first. Who went off to play at the swings instead of helping his mother? Instead of helping his mother, who went to the garden swing? Yes, it was John. What is the answer for the first checkpoint? John. Who is the most helpful child among the three children? We have learned that three children wanted to help their mother. Who is that? John, Nell and Fan. Among the three children, who is the most helpful child? Yes, it is Fan. Fan is the most helpful child among the three children. So John went off to play at the swings instead of helping his mother. These are the answers for the two checkpoints. I understand you are having true or false. Make these statements as true or false. So this is also home task. So DW words, checkpoints, and I understand true or false is the home task for you.